Hey guys, today we're going to do our October speed reviews. Now there isn't as much in here as what there normally is because last month I was obviously doing all of my Halloween looks, so I wasn't actually using like a whole lot of new products. I was just mainly doing Halloween looks. But anyway, we've still got a couple of things in here. So the first thing that we tried out was this candle. This is the Goodies by DW Home candle, and this is the Lunar Eclipse Tea. Came out at TK Maxx for like Halloween. This smells so good. I don't even know, it doesn't say any of this scents or anything, but to me it's very like apple and like cinnamony. I don't know, but either way, it smells incredible. And how cute is the jar? So good. I absolutely love it. So it's really nice. I also tried out the Dusk, and this is the Dusk and Streets collab, and this is the Splice candle. This smells so incredible. It's obviously like lemon lime and like quite sweet as well. If you guys have smelled a Splice before, that's exactly what it smells like. Oh, and it's so incredible. I love this so much. It's super like fresh, but also like sweet as well. So I really enjoy that one. Then I also tried out this. This is the Desert Divine candle from Glass House. It's green tea and aloe water. So I didn't actually mean to buy this. What happened was I went into Peter Alexander and I smelt this, and I also smelt the other one, which was like the palm something, I can't say, it's like the blue one, and I loved the blue one. I was like, yes, that smells so good. And then later I went online and ordered one, and I thought that I ordered the blue one, but I accidentally ordered this. Like I couldn't remember what I liked, so I never meant to buy this, but it is nice. It's extremely fresh. It's not something that I'd repurchase because it's just not like, I've got candles that I like more, but it is very nice. Like I do actually like it. It's just not my first choice, you know. Glasshouse candles have some of the strongest throws on them, honestly. I lit this and I could smell it in my whole house, and that's one reason that I don't mind paying the price for them, because I do genuinely think that they are actually very good quality candles. And yeah, it's not like you light it and then you never smell it. Like you light it and your whole house smells like that candle. So I feel like they last a while as well. But this one was almost too strong because it's like, I don't know, there's something about it, but I feel like I had to honestly have the windows open while I was burning it, and I think that's genuine. That's just because like the scent isn't my favorite, you know? I mean, I don't know. If you like this, I think that you would like really enjoy this candle, but as I said, it's just not my actual favorite scent, and that was completely on me for buying the wrong scent. So anyway, next I tried out the Hideaway Exfoliating Body Scrub. This one's in the Black Sugar scent. The Black Sugar scent has got to be one of my favorites from Hideaway. Oh, it's actually so good. It's a dupe of the YSL, what's it called? Black Opium. Oh, it just smells absolutely incredible. But I do really enjoy this scent. I think it's, I do really enjoy this scrub. I actually think it's really nice. It's definitely like one that you could use every day, but it still has a nice exfoliation. It's one of those ones that's kind of like a cream with like granules mixed in it. But yeah, I do really enjoy this, and I'm really excited to use it more. I've had it sitting in this box for the last couple of days to film this video, and I've been really missing it in the shower, so I'm very excited to have that product. I think it is a really nice one. Then we tried out a whole bunch of SheGlam makeup. So this is the Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. I actually love this. Like, it was such a weird product, but I really enjoy it. First of all, the packaging is just so pretty, and yeah, the actual product itself is just super cool. Oh, it smells kind of nice. I did a whole dedicated video on these products, so if you want to know my, like, you know, more in-depth thoughts, you can go and watch that video. But yeah, I did really enjoy that. This is the So Rich Waterproof Liquid Liner, and I will say it is a super black liner, but it's just a little bit hard to use. It grabs onto, like, it's not very smooth, so it kind of gets stuck when you try to actually draw your eyeliner and stuff on. And I don't know about you guys, but I've kind of got wrinkly eyes, or like, you know, like, I don't know, like, so when I'm trying to like draw it on, like it just kind of keeps skipping and stuff like that. I really want to try more because I'm determined to find an eyeliner from SheGlam that I like, but unfortunately I just don't think it's this one. I mean, it's not awful. It's not like it's like you can't use it. It's just not my favorite formula. So, but yeah, like I said, it's so black. It actually looks really nice. It's just a bit hard to get on the eyes. But next we tried the Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. Mine's in bubblegum, and I actually this. It's so cute. So the, believe it or not, the like pressed powder is actually for your under eyes, and then the loose powder is for the rest of your face. So yeah, you have your pressed powder up the top, and then you open it down here to get your loose powder. I really liked this product. I think it was so nice. I'm so excited to keep using it. We used the Sunbeam Shimmer Liquid Bronzer. Mine's in the shade Toffee. I do actually like this. I think it was quite a nice product. The only thing is, I don't know if it's super shimmery. Like, I remember thinking when I put it on that I didn't think it was like, I don't know where they got the shimmer idea from, but I don't really care anyway. But yeah, it's a nice colour and I feel like it applied quite nicely. It's one of those products that is a bit of a learning curve to get ready. I mean, to get used to, but I do enjoy it. We also tried out the Moonside highlighter in Moon Rose, and I do think that this product is really nice as well. It's like just a really kind of nice, it looks really nice on the skin. Just kind of like a very smooth highlight. I do enjoy that. I tried out the Glam 101 Hybrid Highlighter and Blush Duo in Saint Tropez. I actually only used the blush out of this because I obviously use the other highlight. But yeah, I do like this product. I think it's really pretty and yeah, it's nice. This is the Bright Eyes Cooling Concealer. If I'm being honest, I can't actually remember what I thought of this. I think I liked it. I can't really remember. I feel like I remember it being very thick. Yeah, I think it was very thick, but I think I did enjoy it. But like I said, I did obviously film that whole SheGlam video, so if you want to go and watch that, that'll have more like in-depth thoughts. I did really like this. This is the Frida, I can't say the last name, Kahlo, and SheGlam collab, and this is the Brow Icon Liquid Brow Pen, and it's like a little like, basically like a liquid eyeliner but for your eyebrows. I actually really enjoyed it. I feel like it's one of those ones, once again, that takes a little bit to get used to like how to use it, but once you get it down, it's so nice, and it made my brows look really nice. Tried the Glow Hub Hydration Hero Facial Serum. This felt so nice going on the skin. I only obviously used it once, so I don't have like a full opinion on it yet, but I'm very excited to keep trying it, and I feel like, yeah, it felt really nice going on the skin, and I just love the aesthetic of this brand. It smells really nice too, so very excited to keep trying that. We used the Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duo. This one was in Cashmere, I think. It actually doesn't say, so I think once you take it out of the packaging, like, you don't know what it is anymore, which is annoying. I feel like it was Cashmere, I can't really remember, but I did really enjoy this. It's really cute. It's got a liner at one end and then like a lipstick at the other end, so I think it's quite nice. Tried out the Press Refresh setting spray. I did like this. It's very refreshing. It smells a bit like coconutty. It's not like the nicest scent. It smells like the Too Faced Hangover setting spray, if you guys ever use that. Like coconut, but almost like a little bit like artificial coconut. But yeah, I do like it. It does actually feel nice going on the skin. And then the last thing that we tried was the glitter liner in Fireworks. I actually love this so much. I think this is such a nice product. I've got a couple other shades of this, so I'm very excited to try them out. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It looked so pretty. Yeah, that was everything we tried out in October. I think I've honestly already tried more products in November than we did in the whole of October. We're only a couple of days in, so yeah, expect a much longer video next month. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.